You're working, you're trying, you're doing everything right, but somehow nothing is moving. And the worst part, you don't even know why. Most people think they stay average because they lack talent. That's comforting, because if talent is the problem, there's nothing you can do about it. But what if the real reason is much worse? What if the gap between average people and high achievers isn't intelligence, isn't luck, and isn't talent? What if it's a handful of habits that seem completely harmless today, but quietly shape your entire future? In this video, I'll show you 5 habits that keep millions of people stuck in the same place year after year. And if you recognize yourself in more than 3 of them, you may have just found the real reason you're not moving forward. By the end of this video, you'll wish someone had shown you this sooner. Habit number 1, waiting for certainty. Most people don't avoid action because they're lazy. They avoid action because they want certainty. Before starting a business, they want to know it will succeed. Before applying for a new job, they want to know they'll get hired. Before learning a new skill, they want to know they'll be good at it. Before making a big change, they want guarantees. But life doesn't work that way. Think about the biggest opportunities you've missed. How many disappeared because you kept waiting for the perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect amount of confidence? The truth is, certainty usually comes after action, not before it. Nobody knows exactly how things will turn out. The people who move forward aren't the people with all the answers. They're the people willing to take the first step without having all the answers. Average people wait until they feel completely ready. High achievers understand something different. You rarely feel ready before you begin. You become ready by beginning. And the longer you wait for certainty, the more likely you are to watch someone else take the opportunity you were thinking about. But waiting for certainty isn't the biggest trap. The next habit is even more dangerous because most people mistake it for safety. Habit number 2, choosing comfort over growth. Your brain loves comfort. It loves routines. It loves familiar situations. And that's normal. Comfort feels safe. The problem is that growth usually doesn't happen inside your comfort zone. Think about it. Learning a new skill is uncomfortable. Having a difficult conversation is uncomfortable. Taking responsibility is uncomfortable. Trying something new is uncomfortable. Many people spend years avoiding these feelings. They stay where they are because it's familiar, even when they're unhappy, even when they know they want more. They choose short-term comfort again and again. Then they wonder why nothing changes. The truth is simple. The life you want is often hidden behind a few uncomfortable decisions. And every time you choose comfort over growth, you're not standing still. You're falling behind. And yet, comfort isn't what keeps most people average. The next habit quietly controls people's decisions without them even realizing it. Habit number 3, seeking constant validation. Let me ask you something. Have you ever posted something online and then checked your phone a few minutes later to see who liked it? Most of us have. And there's nothing wrong with enjoying positive feedback. The problem starts when your confidence depends on it. Many people spend their lives worrying about what others think. They don't speak up because someone might disagree. They don't try new things because someone might judge them. They don't chase big goals because they're afraid of looking foolish. Little by little, they stop making decisions based on what they want and start making decisions based on what other people might think. That's a dangerous way to live because people's opinions change all the time. If your confidence depends on their approval, your confidence will always be unstable. High achievers listen to feedback, but they don't let other people's opinions control their lives. Because when you're always trying to please everyone, you eventually lose yourself. But even if you stop caring what other people think, one modern habit can still destroy your progress. Habit number 4, constant distraction. Think about the last time you just sat. No phone, no music, no podcast, just silence. For most people, that feeling is uncomfortable now, and that's exactly the problem. A few years ago, boredom was normal. People waited in line without looking at a screen. They sat quietly. They had time to think. Today, the moment boredom appears, most people grab their phone. a notification, a message, a video, a social media feed, anything to avoid being bored. At first, it doesn't seem like a big deal, but over time, it trains your brain to expect constant stimulation. And that's where the real damage begins. The best ideas often come during quiet moments. So does deep thinking. So does creativity. So does focus. But if every free moment is filled with distractions, your mind never gets the chance to slow down. The people who achieve extraordinary results aren't always the smartest. Many of them simply protect their attention better than everyone else. In a world full of distractions, focus becomes a superpower. And while distraction steals your attention, the final habit steals something even more important: your future. Habit number 5, believing small actions don't matter. This habit looks harmless. That's why it's so dangerous. People say things like, it's only one missed workout, it's only one unhealthy meal, it's only one day, it's only one small mistake. And they're right. One decision usually doesn't change your life. But life isn't made of one decision. It's made of thousands. Success is rarely the result of one big moment. It's usually the result of small actions repeated again and again. One workout won't transform your body, but hundreds will. One page won't make you smarter, but thousands will. One focused hour won't change your future, but consistent focused hours can. The same thing happens in reverse. Small negative habits don't seem dangerous because the consequences aren't immediate. You don't notice the damage today, you notice it years later. That's why so many people become average without realizing it. Not because they made huge mistakes, but because they repeated small mistakes for a very long time. Every choice is either building the person you want to become or quietly dismantling them. The question isn't whether today's choice matters. The question is, what happens if you repeat it for the next 5 years? Now here's the good news. If these habits can slowly pull you toward an average life, the opposite is also true. Small improvements can slowly pull you toward an extraordinary one. You don't need more talent. You don't need perfect conditions. And you don't need to change everything overnight. You just need awareness. Because once you notice a habit, you have the power to change it. Most people never do. They keep waiting for certainty. They keep choosing comfort. They keep worrying about what other people think. They keep distracting themselves. And they keep telling themselves that small actions don't matter. Then they wonder why their life stays the same. But now you know what to look for. So ask yourself, which of these habits is holding you back the most? Because awareness is where change begins. And the decisions you make after watching this video will determine where you are 1 year from now. The choice has always been yours. The only question is whether you'll make it consciously. And if you want to learn the daily habits that help ordinary people build extraordinary discipline, focus, and mental strength, watch my upcoming video.